Alright, this is just a quick tutorial on how to use shadow box. So, if you want to start fresh with it, this is how you would do it. Start a new scene, and then choose a shape. So I'm just going to do a cylinder. I should do a sphere. So I'm going to do a sphere, and click and drag it like this. I obviously don't want the sphere, but I'm just showing you. Now, I got to go ahead and make polymesh 3D, and I messed that up. Hang on a second. Sorry. I got to hit edit first. I'm going to hit Control N to clear the canvas, and make polymesh 3D. Okay, yeah, now it's 3D. Then what I want to do is go to geometry, and you'll see down here it says shadow box. So open shadow box, and then you can change the resolution of it. So the higher resolution, the more detail you can get. I'm going to click on shadow box, and it's going to make, do the best of its ability, try to make the shape that's there shadow box. Okay, so I'm just going to start. Kind of looks like dye, actually. I'm going to start fresh. So I'm going to clear out the mask. So I'm going to hold Control and click and drag. And I'm just going to set this better. Okay. So you end up with something like this. The way it works is that when you mask an area, so let's say I want to make a ring. I can mask a ring shape, okay? And it's going to go all the way across. Now, if I only do the one, it'll just do that, which is kind of neat. But if, let's say I do a zigzag here, okay, what it's going to do is it's going to be where those meet. You see what I'm saying? So it's almost like when we model, we always draw like our orthographic views. It's kind of similar to that. And then over here, I could, I don't know. I don't think this is going to work well, but we'll do 2 circles. And then you end up with something that looks like this, and it looks terrible. But let's clear that out. But you could try to do something where you like, let's say I had a guy, and I was like, yeah, he looks like this, and looks like a bad Squidward meme, right? So say he looks like that. Oops, I got a little bit on the ground here, so there you go. Looks like that, and then I could draw his side here, and be like, yeah. He's got a bit of a belly. He's Preggles. And then you can see, yeah. Makes the size. But anyway, it looks great. And then you could just, make polymesh 3D, and then you've got that shape. Okay? That's pretty exciting. Now, let's say I already have something, and I just want to add, like I want to make, I don't know, a hat or something for this guy. What I could do is just go to Subtool, and go down here and just hit like append, and append any shape that you want. So I'll do it. Come on, I'll do a cylinder. There's cylinder. All right. Now a cylinder's not what I want, so I'm going down to. Oops, I gotta make polymesh 3D. Oh, actually, I gotta not do that. Hang on a second. Subtool, append, and we're gonna go ahead and do a triangle. Okay. Then what I would do is go to geometry. And I would click on shadow box, and it's going to give me that same shadow box thing. I'm going to Control, click, and drag. I'm going to hit W for the move tool, or you can just go up there. I'm just going to move it, let's say, oh crap, I know what happened. Let me see something. Is my guy still there? He is. Okay. I forgot to do this. Before I make the shadow box, I got to grab the cylinder. I was still on this guy, so it was replacing him. I'm going to grab the cylinder, and then I'm going to go ahead and go geometry. And do shadow box. Okay. And I'm going to hold Control, click, and drag to clear out that. And I'm just going to pull it up so he's out of the way. And I am going to do my regular draw here. And I'm going to try and draw him a hat. Like that. Okay. That is a nice looking hat. And then we'll just kind of make it circular. Yeah, that is terrible. Alright. That looks not acceptable. Okay, but let's say I did a good job. And then I'll just hit make polymesh 3D. Boop. Oh, and I lost the other thing. Well, anyway. So we have that. So I could go here. And I could delete this. Okay. And append. Oops, append. Come on. We should be able to append that hat. There's the hat. There we go. So now I have my hat, and I can move that guy down, and he looks freaking great. Oh yeah, that is muy bueno. There we go, perfect. Alright. Anyway, so that's basically the shadow box. It's a good way of like just trying to bang out a shape real quickly. You may or may not like it.